Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have got a 2014 BMW 235i M Sport in Estoril Blue. It's done about 72,000 miles, decent history, nice spec. You've got black leather, sat nav, heated seats. I think this one's got the M Sport exhaust as well. You'll have to excuse me today, I'm full of flu, so let's have a quick look around it. So starting off the front end, it's got the M Sport style front splitter. It's like a carbon style one. It looks fairly good. Front end's actually in really nice condition, like barely a stone chip, but obviously there's going to be a couple in places, but barely anything, to be honest. Very nice colour. Hopefully it's picking up. Well, it's a very bright day today as well. Got the black mirror covers as well. It's got the side steps. Carbon rear spoiler as well. Let's get the M Sport exhaust, which sounds really nice. I like that carbon lip, it looks really good. Is it open? Oh, it's locked. I've got a key. Got keys inside the car. It's very well kept, this one. Really nice condition actually. That's the exterior covered for you guys. Let's have a look inside. So you've got full black leather with the trim as well. Let's put the seat back a little bit. Really nice condition leather. Back seats well kept as well. Pro nav screen. Pretty large boot. Driver's side. Looking good. Driver's seat very clean, nicely padded still. Had a recent service at BMW actually as well. There's your mileage, 71. Go. So you got parking sensors with display. So you got sat nav as well. I think you can update these to Apple CarPlay sets up as well. I think these are Bluetooth ready as well, pretty much. Yeah, there we go. Pretty sure they're DAB as well. They are DAB. Then you got your sport modes, displays, and so on. Heated seats, definitely do not want them today. There we go, I'm going to give it a little rev for you so you can have a listen. Real nice sound that. It's not even a little bit loud. It's just when you open the revs up. Right guys, there you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, there'll be a link directly below in the description, which will take you directly to the advert. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again. Bye.